Hello, I'm Kelly Moore with Mustang, and we're here to tell you today about the brand new Mustang 3200 VT compact track loader, the newest and largest in the family of Mustang compact track loaders, and it's among the highest in the category of large compact track loaders in the industry. This machine will lift 3,200 pounds at 35% of tip, or 4,571 pounds at 50% of tip capacity. It's a vertical lift design, and it will lift over 129 inches of pin height. It's powered by a high torque Deutz water-cooled engine at 114 gross horsepower. The key component on this machine, as with all Mustang track loaders, is the track system and the Ideal Trax patented system on our machines. The way it works is, instead of a grease pack like the competitive machines that have to be greased on a regular basis to adjust the tension for the tracks, we use dual hydraulic cylinders on both sides of the machine. So as the engine started, in a matter of seconds, the hydraulic oil is pressurized into either cylinder, putting the right amount of tension on the front idler here, and the track stays very, very strong and tight during the entire duration of the operation of the machine. So no downtime, no adjusting, no maintenance on the Ideal Trax system on the Mustang machine. In addition, we'll show you here the optional track system that we have. This is called the All-Season Track. It's 17.7 inches wide, and you'll see it's got a different style serration design, which means it's good in soft conditions, sand and mud, but also in the northern areas where there's snow and ice. Works very well for year-round, all-season use with this new Mustang 3200 VT. At the rear section of the machine, a lot of features and points to take a look at. Big heavy-duty engine cover that has a great big screen section that allows cool, screened air to be pulled in down over the engine through the fan and cooler and expelled rearward through the big back door. The big heavy-duty steel door protects the back end of the machine as well. Easy to open, and has an automatic lock system that secures the door in a full open position until it's manually released. And then access by you as the owner or a technician is that you get at the back end of the machine for cleaning very easily. You have a dual radiator system, aluminum cooler for the left side for your engine coolant, the right side for hydraulic oil. Your other accesses are dual batteries, which are accessible here from the actual outside of the machine. Your other filters and other maintenance readily accessible here on the back end of this new Mustang track loader. We feature a ROPS FOPS Level 2 FOPS on Mustang track loaders to include the new 3200 VT. The top section of the ROPS is reinforced to allow it to achieve the FOPS Level 2 as standard equipment, not available as standard on any other competitive model machine. The cab is very, very comfortable and a lot of space. You have the open cab design as the base machine. You can have side windows, the front door assembly, and of course heating and air conditioning for the optimum comfort working the machine all months of the year. With the cab enclosure, an exclusive feature on all Mustang track loaders, to include the new VT model, is an exclusive fold-up cab door design. It literally folds in front of the operator, goes up over the top of his head, latches into a lock position where it can be operated completely with the door open, or of course fully closed, sealed for cab comfort. So we'll show you here, simply going up, grabbing the levers, pulling down, center handle, bring it all the way down, closes, latches, and seals shut. If it's going to be parked on a job site, you can use the ignition key, put it into the locks on the right side here, latch it, and you've got a secured lock door in this loader. One of the creature comforts in Mustang track loaders is the cab and the conditions for the operator station within the cab. Take a look. Easy entry underneath the fold-up door into the big, comfortable seat, air suspension, or mechanical suspension option. Very, very comfortable. Dual restraint bars. Left side, of course, it gives you your left armrest. Right side with your right armrest as well. You got the ability of making an adjustment forward and aft based on the size of the operator, and of course moves the joysticks for the comfort of the operator's arms. In the operation of the machine in rough, tough conditions, the machine, as it's bouncing around, the seat and the controls will go up and down for the comfort, convenience, and safety control for the operator running the machine. Joysticks are a true hydraulic pilot joystick control here for all your steering and hydrostatic control. The right side, your lift and lower function and tilt with your wrist, as well as a proportional control with using your thumb for running auxiliary hydraulics for a multitude of edge attachments. Now with that, as you're going to operate the machine, you can operate in the up and open position as an operator wants to. Otherwise, in position, he's going to close the door. Simple as this. The door is latched, sealed, watertight, airtight for maximum comfort and pressurization to run this machine day in and day out, regardless of the temperature and weather conditions. With the hydraulic functioning that this new Mustang VT loader provides, you have exceptional auxiliary hydraulics, such as on the left side. From the operator's point of view, this is your standard auxiliary hydraulics, 27 gallons per minute. So very effective for any type of edge attachment that operator is going to put to work. If it's a high flow, high performance type attachment, then you're going to use the couplers over on the right side here from the operator again, and that would be powering edge high performance attachments that require high flow and powering and having a lot of performance on the jobs where that work needs to get done. There's numbers of features, options we didn't get to talk about here today on the new Mustang 3200 VT, but we sure invite you to see your local Mustang dealer or go online to mustangmfg.com for further information. Thanks for watching.